Hi everyone, Chef John here. Thank you for joining me today as we get ready for the 2023 HeartWorks dinner and celebration. Today we're going to be making a HeartWorks salad featuring the Superior Fresh Organic chopped salad greens, as well as salmon and papillote, which is salmon in a bag. And there you have it, a heart-healthy salad featuring Superior Fresh's organic chopped salad mix. All right, now it is time to make the salmon and papillote. And I have a special guest here, Kala from HeartWorks.
Hey everyone.
Thanks for joining me today.
I'm happy to be here.
Are you excited for the salmon and papillote?
Yes, but what does it even mean?
So that means salmon in a bag. And we actually make the bags out of parchment paper. And in your boxes, you will have a few sheets of this. And what we're gonna do is we're going to make the bags. Now, for this special event, the 2023 HeartWorks Celebration and Dinner, we are gonna make the bags into a fun shape. Kala, what shape do you think we should make the bags into?
Well, I think it would make the most sense to cut it into a heart shape.
Into a heart it is then. All right, well, I'm gonna let you go first.
Oh, this is a lot of pressure.
And the key is, remember, we're gonna put all the food, salmon, vegetables, sauce, into the bag and then put it in the oven where it will steam itself. So we wanna make sure that the heart is a nice wide and tall shape. So let's see your abilities.
Well, I'd like to think I have a big heart, so we'll see. Is that wide enough?
I think it looks good. When was the last time that you did arts and crafts with parchment paper?
Oh, probably 7th grade? Making
7th
snowflakes? I don't know.
Not a few months ago during Christmas for snowflakes?
No, not this year. All right.
All right, let's
Should
see
I
the
show
heart.
it off?
Oh, that looks great. That looks great. Let's see if I can do it here.
Yours be bigger than mine?
I don't know. I like a lot of food, so we got to try to make a good vessel for the food.
Yeah, I think you might be winning.
All right, let's see here. Oh, mine kind of was weird at the end there. All right, there's mine. Wonderful. Okay, so make sure to cut your hearts out and then save them for when we make the salmon and papillote in a few minutes here. I'm gonna prepare the ingredients and then I'm gonna bring you back in to finish the papillote.
All right, thanks, John.
Okay, we have all of our ingredients on our hearts, and it's time to fold them. And for that, I'm gonna bring in our good friend Kala again to help out. Thanks for helping out. Now, I believe this is your heart.
It is.
And this is mine. And so, to fold them, what we wanna do is we wanna make sure that we create really nice seals. Because again, the butter and the oil and all the ingredients are going to steam. So we want to make nice seals, as well as we don't want to seal it too tightly against the food. So if there's open spaces, that's really good. So what you want to do is you want to just fold the heart over and try to get a good fold. Now again, it's going to be a little loose, so just start on one end, and you're just going to fold on top, above. And the reason you want to fold up instead of under is because there is some liquid in here, and if you fold under, the liquid will seep out. And we want to try to retain all that goodness right inside. And so you just kind of fold up maybe 1.5 inches. If you've ever made dumplings, this is kind of the folds for that. Wonderful. And again, you do want to leave some room in between the food and the folds.
Is this enough room, or is that getting a
No,
little
that's
tight?
good, I think.
Okay.
And if you do it right, the folds should stay nice and tight. They shouldn't unfold. And then at the top, you could just do a few extra small folds to get it nice and tight.
How's that look?
That's great, that's great. All right, so we'll get our pan. Now we got to put the two sides of the heart next to each other.
Oh.
Let's turn yours around. There we go. All right.
You have a lot more space here.
So yes, the bigger the parchment paper, the better to create a nice steam pocket. We're gonna throw this in the oven for about 15 to 17 minutes, and when it comes out, it'll be nice and delicious. Okay, so the salmon and papillote is finished here. We've taken the bags out of the oven, and what I want you to do is get a knife and go ahead and cut a little hole in the top. And what that will do is that will release the steam, the majority of the steam. Now it is still gonna be very hot, and so you do wanna watch for the steam, but slowly unfurl your bags. It is hot. There you go. All right, so we have the salmon and papillote right there. Get half a lemon and just squeeze some lemon on top. And you're welcome to just put the bag onto a plate, or you can take off the ingredients and plate it on a plate if you wish. Enjoy.